Ferrari is on the hunt for a new team principal after Mattia Binotto resigned last week. Former Ferrari boss Luca di Montezemolo has claimed he is worried about the Scuderia after they let go of team principal Mattia Binotto. The ex-Ferrari chief stressed the team was without a leader after a difficult year saw the prancing horse miss out on a title challenge. Binotto walked away from the role last week after it emerged he no longer had the backing of Ferrari chairman John Elkann. Rumors emerged that Elkann never supported Binotto, which led to the Italian's downfall. He will remain team principal until December 31 with a replacement set to take over in the new year. Di Montezemolo told the Italian newspaper Corriere dello Sport, "I'm sorry about the situation at Ferrari and I'm worried. In these moments, since I really care about Ferrari, I prefer not to comment. Other than to note that it seems to me to be a company without a leader." Ferrari looked competitive over the opening part of the campaign with Charles Leclerc securing 2 wins from the first 3 races. However, the team's title challenge evaporated early on in the campaign due to a series of strategy errors and reliability concerns. Elkann fired Binotto a warning at the Italian Grand Prix as he demanded improvements. But Ferrari then completely dropped off the pace in the second half of the season, with Mercedes eventually quicker. Alfa Romeo team boss Frédéric Vasseur is among the favorites to replace Binotto at the Ferrari helm. McLaren's Andreas Seidl has also been linked to the position, while Christian Horner was also mentioned as a potential successor. Vasseur has failed to rule out taking over the iconic team when asked to address the claims at the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. The Frenchman said, "I won't say anything. You'll find out soon enough." Meanwhile, Horner reiterated that he was fully committed to Red Bull due to his close bond with the team. Binotto announced his resignation last week after rumors emerged he was holding exit talks with Ferrari bosses including Elkann. A statement read, "With the regret that this entails, I have decided to conclude my collaboration with Ferrari. I am leaving a company that I love, which I have been part of for 28 years, with the serenity that comes from the conviction that I have made every effort to achieve the objectives set."